Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5 Understanding Elementary and Shape. So, what is this, student? Tell me, what is this? OA. Obviously, you can say this is a ray. And what is the properties of ray? You know very well. And what is this? This is again also a ray whose name is OB. You can write this name ray OA. This is a ray OB. If they meet together at one common point, what is the common point? This is the end point of both ray. Okay. If they meet like this and like this, okay, this is a OB and this is a OA. Such type figures, which names you know? This is a angles. Yes, this is a angles. So student, today in these chapters we are going to discuss what is angles and types of angles. Okay. So first to define what is angles. Angle is a figure made by two ray. This is, you can say, this is angles. It is made by two ray. First ray is OA, second ray is OB. Angle is a figure made by two ray meeting at common point. What is the common point? O. This is O is the common point. Okay. This common point is called vertex of the angles, and the two rays is called arms or side of the angles. And this is the angles. This is angle. Okay. This is common point. This is called vertex. This is called vertex of angle. Okay. This is called arms or side. Arms or side. This is also called arms or side. Okay. This is a vertex. This is the angles. So angle is what is angle? Angle is a figure made by two ray meeting at common point. This common point are called vertex. You can see this is vertex. This is common points, and two ray are called arms or side of the angles. Okay. So student, I hope all of you understood what is angles. Angles made by two ray. Here you can see ray OA and ray OB. If you meet at common point O, then this is with angles. Angles has two arms. Okay. Between these area, between these area is called angles. This is called vertex. Okay. This is called arms or side. Okay. So this is clear. Angle is a figure made by two ray meeting at common point. These common points are called vertex, and two ray are called arms or sides of the angles. Now we are going to discuss types of angles. Okay. So let's see what is the types of angles. Okay, its first side is types is this is first types is called acute angle. Acute angle. Okay. So what is acute angles? An angle whose measure lies between 0 and 90 degree. An angle whose measure lies between 0 degree, this is called degree, okay, and 90 degree is called an acute angle. Okay. So this is a figure of acute angle like this. This is acute angles. Okay. The range of acute angle is 0 and 9. This is lies between 0 degree and 9 degree. This is called degree. Okay, like this. This is called degree. Okay. Degree. Okay. So acute angle lies between 0 and 90 degrees, means that the maximum value of acute angle is 89 degree. Okay. So you can write suppose A O B. Okay. This is the acute angles. Also you can write this. This is acute angle. Okay. Acute angle. This is also like this. Acute angle. Such type is also like this. Acute angle. Okay. So many types of acute angles. It means that its value is 10 degree, 20 degree, 40 degree, 35 degree, 49 degree, and the maximum value of acute angle is 89 degree because it lies between 0 and 90. Okay. So it means that acute angle is greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. Acute angle is the greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. This is clear? Now, next types of the angle is obtuse angle. Next types of angle is we can say right angle. Okay, angle whose measure is 90 degree and angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. Called a right angle. Okay. This is also called quarter turn. It is also called quarter turn or 1/4 revolution. Okay. Right angle is also called quarter turn or 1/4 revolution. Okay. And the right angle is like this. Okay. This is 90 degree. This is a right angle. Clear? 90 degree or you can say a right angle. What is right angles? Angles whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. This is clear? Now, this is figure of right angles. Okay. You can see your room, the wall stand at the ground. This is angle between the walls and the ground is right angles. Okay. And also you can see this is a dusters. It stand. Okay. From the green board, the angle between duster and the green board is 90 degree. And also you can see one example like this. This chalk stand on and this duster. The angle between the chalk and duster is 90 degree. Clear? Now, next types of angle is obtuse angle. Okay. So an angles whose measure lies between whose measure lies between whose measure lies between 90 degree and 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Okay, so let's see this figure of obtuse angle. This is the obtuse angle. Clear? This is the obtuse angles. What is obtuse angles? An angles whose measure lies between 90 degree and 180 degree is called obtuse angles. Clear? It means that obtuse angle vary to greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Clear? So many types of figures of obtuse angle you can also look like this. Okay, this is obtuse angles. So all those figures who is greater than 90 degree and less than 1 degree, you can say this is a obtuse angles. Okay, now straight angles. What is straight angles? What is straight angles? An angle whose measure is 180 degree. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle. Clear? What is straight angles? An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angles. It is also called half turn or 1/2 half revolution, half turn or 1 by 2 revolution. Okay. Now next angle is reflex angles. Okay, so let's see the figure of this straight angle. Suppose here this center and this is a straight angles. Okay. This is straight angles. Now next angle is reflex angle. On those figures whose value is 180 degree, you can say this is the straight angles. Also the form of straight angle like this. This is straight angles like this. This is straight angles. Okay. And this is also called half revolution. Clear? Now reflex angle. What is reflex angles? Okay, an angle whose measure lies between an angle whose measure lies between 180 degree and 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Okay, an angle whose measure lies between 180 degree and 360 degree is called the reflex angle. It means that the range of reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Okay, so you can also write like this. Suppose 180 degree reflex angle RA. Reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Clear? You read this. Reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degrees. Okay. The figure of this angle means reflex angle is like this. This angle is called reflex angle. RA, reflex angle. Clear? Now, next angle is complete angle. What is complete angle? Complete, the angle whose measure is 360 degree is called complete angle. Complete angle is like this. This is complete angle. One complete revolution. Okay. If this is a complete angles, you can see this is the one complete revolution. This is a complete angle. One turn is called complete angle. The value of complete angle is 360 degree. 360 degree. Clear? So student, in this way we discuss about the type angles and the types of angles. So what is angles? Angle is a figure made by two rays meeting at common points. The common point is called vertex and the two rays is called arms or side of the angles. And the types of angles we study here: acute angles, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angles, reflex angles, and complete angles. So now we are going to discuss about the exercise 5.3. In question 5.3 we have only one questions. Match the following. The both columns option are given: straight angles, right angles, acute angle, obtuse angles, reflex angles in the first column. In the second column is less than 1/4 of revolution, more than half a revolution, 1/4 of revolution, between 1/4 and 1/2 of revolution, and one complete revolutions. This is a both commons. Okay, so we can write, we can match it. Okay, so you can write the match in front of each, such as straight angle is, what is straight angle? So you can write in front of straight angle is half of a revolutions. Okay, so let's see how to solve these questions. So first option is here given: a straight angle. Straight angle. So what is straight angle? You can say straight angle is a half of revolution. This is option number C. This is the first part. Okay, and this is a half of a revolution. Clear? And the second option is right angle. RI. What is right angle? According to definition, you know, a right angle is a angle whose measure is 90 degree. It's called right angle. But here no option is given. The angle is 90 degree. Here given 1/4 of revolutions. So 90 degree right angle is also called 1/4 of revolutions. Okay, so this is a D options. 1/4 of a revolution. 1/4 of a revolution. Clear? And third part of this question, this is question number 1. Okay, this is a question number 1 going on. Okay, acute angles. What is acute angles? You know, acute angle is the angle whose measure lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. It means that angles whose value is lies greater than 0 and less than 90 degree is called acute angle. But here no option given such types, but this is given less than 1/4 of revolution. This is correct. 1/4 of revolution means 90 degree. Less than 1/4 of revolution means less than 90 degree. It means that greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. This is called acute angles. Okay, so you can write here this is acute angle. This option is A option. This is given less than 1/4 of revolution. Less than 1/4 of a revolution. Clear? Now, fourth part. What is fourth part? Fourth part is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay, sorry. make distance here, obtuse angle. So what is obtuse angle? What is obtuse angle? According to definition of obtuse angles, angles whose measure is lies between 90 degree and 180 degree is called obtuse angles. Obtuse angle means is angles greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. This is clear. This is called obtuse angles, but no option is here, given here. So the option is given between 1/4 and 1/2 of a revolution. 1/4 means 1 quadrant, means 90 degree. 1/4 of revolution means 90 degree. Clear? And 1/2 of a revolution means 180 degree. Straight angle. It is also called half of revolution, and you can say straight angles. This is clear. So obtuse angle is equal to between 1/4 and 1/2 of a revolution. The option, match option is, this is option E. Okay, this is given between 1/4 and 1/2 of a revolution. Okay, 1/4 means 90 degree and 1/2 of revolution means 180 degree. This is called also straight angle. So obtuse angle is between 1/4 and 1/2 of a revolution. But you know the definition of obtuse angle lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. So 1/4 of revolution is 90 degree and 1/2 of revolution means 180 degree. And this is clear. Now next option is reflex angle. So what is reflex angle? According to definition of reflex angles, are angles whose measure lies between 180 degree and 360 degree. It means that the reflex angles varies from 180 to 360. So you can say reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So here no option like this, but one option is given, more than half a revolution. More than half revolution means greater than 180 degree. Half revolution means 180 degree, and more than half revolution means greater than 180 degree. And so a reflex angles. So इसको हम just करते हैं. This is the fifth part of this question on reflex angle. Oh my God. What is reflex angles according to these options? Option B. Option B is that more than half a revolution. More than half a revolutions. Okay, and in second columns one option is left, one complete revolutions. In first column is given 5 option and the second column given 6 options. Okay, so we left this option, 6 option, one complete revolution. I hope all of you know complete angles. Okay, whose angle is 360 degree is called complete angles, and this is also called one complete revolutions. Clear? So student, I hope all of you understood angles and types of angles, and exercise. In this way we complete exercise 5.3. 5.3 have only two questions. First question we are completed, and you can see second question. What is the second question of this exercise? Let's see. Student, this is the second question, and in question second question asks, classify the each of the following: right angle, straight angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, and the reflex angles. Okay, so this is a, you can see this is a acute angle, this is a obtuse angle, this is a right angle, and this is a reflex angle, this is a straight angles, and both angles here and here, this is a acute angles. Clear? So I hope all of you understood what is acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, and reflect angle, and you are able to recognize right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angles, and reflex angles. Again, see, this angle is called acute angle, such type angles is called obtuse angles, like this angle is called right angles, this is a reflex angle, here you can see this is the straight angles, and here you can see this is a acute angle, because you can see this is the less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. Okay, this is you can see straight angles, because this made it at straight lines. Okay, so student, I hope all of you able to recognize angle. Okay, and you know angles and the types of angles. So in this way we complete exercise 5.3, and thank you for watching. Jai Hind.